brighter colors, you know, if that's what's going to serve the illustration. You know, I work strange color combinations, you know, all the time, and you know, just to kind of see the kind of a feel that I can get from them. So when I'm looking at drawing.
So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played, and one is I discovered that I could play the harp like this. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like